Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a pretty cool little RCA home component player. This comes from Dallas in Alberta, Canada. Thank you, Dallas, for your business, international business. Now, this is kind of an unusual situation in that the customer wants to use this unit in his car. That can be done. I mean, home units are, have pretty much the same stuff as car units. Only thing is, on these older home units, a lot of them have AC motors and AC track change solenoids, which means, it's not too difficult to replace the motor with a 12-volt motor, but the 112-volt or the 120-volt AC solenoid, there's nothing we can do about that. They're just not going to make, the exact replacement solenoid that's going to, operate on 12 volts DC. So I've informed the customer that he's going to need to purchase, a power inverter to be able to use this in his car. And he was okay with that. So. But this is an AC unit, which means it's powered by all kinds of AC stuff. You may get a little hum through the car system because this unit is powered from AC. AC equipment does produce a little bit of hum sometimes, so you may have to, we'll just have to wait and see how it works in the car. I can't guarantee great performance. I can guarantee it'll work, but I can't guarantee great performance because it's actually a home unit meant to work on line voltage AC. So it's probably best to get the best quality inverter you can find that can produce the cleanest AC power. So at any rate, let's go ahead and test her, make sure it works on all functions. And I've got it running through my home receiver at this point. Customer needs to buy a power inverter, to plug this into. And then one other thing is that the track indicator lamps won't work on this unit because it's got a bad track change distributor, which sends voltage to the lamps. It's falling apart. There's nothing I can do to fix that. It's welded plastic, and the plastic is broken, so there's nothing else to weld to. So we'll have to just put up with no track indicator lamps, just like a car unit, actually. Okay, let's pop in some Neil Sedaka. Switch tracks a bunch of times. All right, let's make sure we got both speakers, both sides working. Okay, change tracks 2 more times. Okay, we're right at the end of a song here, so it's going to either switch tracks automatically or jump to the next song on the same track. Okay, next song, same track. Okay, that's my test tones. Okay, so that takes care of that. There's not much to test on these little simple home units. Does it play or does it not play? Does it switch tracks or does it not switch tracks? And then the RCA, it'll have RCA jacks. If the customer's radio has RCAs for the aux input, then you can plug this pretty much directly into the radio. Otherwise, if the radio has a round 1/8-inch jack, the customer will need to get an adapter to go from the RCA plugs to the 1/8-inch plug to go into the back of his radio. So, at any rate, the unit itself is working fine. I can't guarantee great performance in the car. We'll just have to see how it goes. If not, you've got a nice home unit that's fully serviced and ready to go. So, I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me at 928-533-9666. This is for paying repair customers only. Do not call me asking me how to fix your freaking machine. That's not what I'm here for. Okay, guys? This is a business. I'm not a hobbyist who wants to share his knowledge and be thought smart by everybody in the world. I already know I'm smart. I've already got a worldwide customer base. If you call me and you're not willing to pay, then don't call me. If it's not worth your money, it's not worth my time. Professional service is available if you're willing to pay for it. So, now that I've got that off my chest, thanks everybody for watching and listening, and my website is in the description below. We'll see you next time.